Be careful over there, okay?
Okay.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Erim. Mag-e-enjoy ka dun.
Okay na po yung mga maleta.
Okay.
Mag-iingat ka.
Baka malit tayo. Let's go, son.
My sweetheart, sobrang mamimiss kita. Ay, mag-iingat kayo ah. Huwag mong kalimutang tumawag sa akin, sweetheart. Nalulungkot ako pag wala ka. Tumawag ka ah. Mag-iingat kayo.
See you soon. Mag-iingat kayo.
Alright, call us when you get there, Baba.
Okay, sige. Sitki, bilisan mo. Hurry up.
Erim! Erim!
Ma'am?
My boy!
You came to see me.
Of course I came, Erim. I have to see you before you leave for London. Everything will be okay, anak. Alam kong ayaw mong umalis, pero give it time, masasanay ka rin dun.
I don't know. I'll guess I'll see.
Let's go. Say goodbye. Baka malit na tayo.
Erim, look, kahit ano man ang mangyari, tandaan mong mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Huwag mong kalilimutan, I'm here for you.
Let's go.
See you soon.
Bibisitahin ka namin ng uncle mo pag pwede na.
I know. Talk to him.
Mag-iingat ka doon, anak.
Tara na.
Erim?